So yeah, as I was saying previously, we've got this Scirocco, what is it, off a Mark 1? Mark 2 Scirocco body kit to offer up on his Volvo. Got front coilovers to fit. He's just quickly put these little trestles up on the wall and the ramps up on the wall as well. Just organising it and maximising space. So yeah man, pretty nifty in it. We're going to roll the car down in a sec and start tinkering. Also, that's what I was going to say. So look, have a look at this. He's not long got this. If you know, you know. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll just leave it in the comment section for you lot to guess. Ah, you just see it there. Look at that.
Is that Laurel way?
Yeah, Laurel. Look at the interior on it. .5 straight 6 rear wheel drive. It's auto at the moment, but it's going to be getting the manual swap and turbo conversion. Is it open? She's clean. You gonna pop the thing? Yeah man. If you know, you know. 1JZ 2.5. Like I say, it's NA, but he's going to be doing a turbo conversion. Any ideas of what turbo in?
Not a clue yet.
Or anything like that?
Get a manual first.
Yeah, manual R154, but
yeah,
she is clean. It's one of the cleanest I've seen, no joking. I'm not even just saying that for the camera.
They used to look after the car as well, apparently.
Canto Auto Works.
It's got a load of service stuff at the back as well.
Yeah, let's get there. Yeah, that's mad.
Even the dash cam's in Japanese as well.
Yeah, the dash cam. It makes a noise when you switch it on, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've just got it started. I'm gonna roll it down to the garage. Go slow, Vin. Oh. Come slow. Yeah. going in? So we've just done both ball joints. Got it all off, so we just got the old leg out, got the new one in. What are these, S13 coilovers?
E46 coilovers, S13 camber plates.
Yeah, E46 coilovers with S13 camber plates. Welded to the bottom half of the Volvo hub. And he's got green stuff pads on it, so yeah, it's a nice upgrade. Yeah, mate. Got the other side to do in a sec. I'll show you what we had to do to get them to fit. So we've got the S13 coilovers on. I don't know if you can see in there. But yeah, they're on, mate. We're now just offering up a scirocco body kit. Actually looks alright.